to Aptitude Learning Session. In this video, we would see about Theory of Relativity from Train Aptitude Problems. In Theory of Relativity, you would have seen two kinds of problems. One is from trains are in the same direction, other one is from trains are in the opposite direction. In trains are in the same direction, that means the train having the length of L1 running at the speed of S1, the other train having the length of L2 running at the speed of S2, both are in the same direction. For example, you are traveling in a train running at the speed of 50 km per hour. The other train running parallelly running at the speed of 40 km per hour, the direction which is same as your train travels. That means both the trains are in the same direction. Now, how much speed do you feel? Your train running at 50 km per hour, other train running at 40 km per hour in the same direction, then the 40 km is an ideal one. Remaining 10 km per hour speed alone you will feel, right? Now, what is the basic standard formula for speed? Speed equal to distance divided by time, right? So here the speed is, I have given one example, so you have to subtracting speed 1 from speed 2 if trains are in the same direction. Here the speed equal to S1 minus S2, that is equal to, distance here is length of the two trains divided by time. Time is the same one. Now, if trains are in the opposite direction, that means the same example, you are running at 50 km per hour in a train. The other train running at the speed of 40 km per hour in the opposite direction. Now, what speed do you feel? Now, you will feel more speed than you travel, right? So, you have to add the speed of both the trains. The standard formula for speed equal to distance divided by time. Here the speed you have to add speed 1 and speed 2 if the trains are in the opposite direction, right? So S1 plus S2, that is equal to, here the distance is length of the two trains. Just you have to remember, if the trains are in the same direction, you have to subtracting speed 1 from speed 2, but in the trains are in the opposite direction, you have to add the speed 1 and speed 2, right? Just now we have seen the basic concepts in theory of relativity. Let me solve some more problems to make understand this concept better. In question number 1, in theory of relativity, two trains of equal length on a parallel lines in the same direction. Same direction is a keyword, at 46 km per hour and 36 km per hour. Hence, two trains are moving. Then it obviously comes under the theory of relativity. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. Then the length of the trains. We have to find the length of the train here. So first, the train number 1 having the length of LT1 running at a speed of 46 km per hour, and train number 2 having a length of LT2 running at a speed of 36 km per hour. Hence, the faster train passes the slower train in how many seconds? T equal to 36 seconds they have given here. So, both the trains are in the same direction. So, what is the formula if both the trains are in the same direction? So, S1 minus S2 equal to LT1 plus LT2 divided by time. It's a formula that we have seen initially. So S1 is 46 minus S2 is 36 here, and that is equal to, so length we don't know for both the trains, so we have to find it. Time in 36 seconds, but here the time in seconds, so obviously we have to convert it speed in kilometer per hour into meter per second. So just multiply with 5 by 18. So 46 minus 36 was 10 into 5 by 18, LT1 LT2 divided by 36. 2 nines are 18, 4 nines are 36, 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 10 fives are is what? 50 into 2 plus 50 into 2 is what? 100, that is equal to LT1 LT2. Then obviously the length of the two trains, that is 100, the length of the one train is 50 in meter. We have found the length of the two trains, that is 100 meter. Question number 2. Two trains as length 1.10 km and 0.9 km running in a opposite direction at 60 km per hour and 90 km per hour respectively. The time taken by slower train to cross the faster train in seconds. Just here they have mentioned the length of the two trains in kilometer, but it's in the decimal form. We have to convert it into whole number. Just length of the train one is 1.10 kilometer. In order to convert it into meter as a whole number, what you will do in order to convert it from kilometer to meter, just multiply with 1000. That is 110 and again 000, this 2 point here, 1100 meter. What is the L2 value? 0.9 kilometer. The same thing. In order to convert it into meter, you have to multiply with 1000. 900 meter, right? Just two trains. The train number 1, 1100 meter length. The train number 2 having the length of 900 meter, right? And what is S1? Speed 1, 60 kilometer per hour. That is what mentioned in the question. S2 equal to 90 kilometer per hour. So we have to find the time in seconds, right? What is the formula for if the trains are in the opposite direction in under theory of relativity? So obviously we have to add both the speeds because both the trains are in the opposite direction. Distance, that is equal to length of the train 1 plus length of the train 2 divided by time. S1 plus S2 is what? 60 plus 90, that is equal to length of the two trains divided by time. We have to find here distance, that is length of the train or in meter, so we have to convert it the speed in kilometer into meter per second. So 5 by 18. So in order to simplifying these two, what you will get? 2000 here and T. (25 into 5). 125 divided by 3 equal to 2000 divided by T. So finally time equal to 2000 into 3 divided by 125 here. Class 16 into 3 is what? 48. Time in 48 seconds. So both the trains would take 48 seconds to cross each other. In upcoming video, we would solve some more problems under theory of relativity.